kapuso, karong buntaga, beauty with a purpose. Atong pagaisgutan, kauban ang newly crowned Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao nga si Irha Alfeche. Good morning, Irha, ug welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Maayong buntag sa tanan!
Irha, how does it feel nga ikaw gyud ang nakakuha sa title as Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao 2022?
Well, actually, it is really my honor to be your newly crowned Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao 2022. Actually, it feels so majestic. Like I was just dreaming to be the Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao. Now, I have it now. I have the crown. I have it mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually.
Irha, kabulumi nga dili gyud lalim ang ginaagian sa mga beauty queens pag musalmot og pageants. Pwede ba namo masayran ang imuhang pagpangandam, Irha, for this pageant?
It's my second time around joining Miss Philippines Earth. Actually, I joined last 2020 and it was a national pageant but a virtual pageant. I was not fully equipped, or let's say I am not prepared with the equipments, the resources that is needed for me to fulfill. However, I really fought with all my heart, with the help of my family, just to submit all the requirements. In my preparation, I joined different kind of activities in my community, like volunteered in different kind of environmental activities wherein I can enhance my skills.
Nasayran sab namo nga aktibo puday ka, Irha, sa pagtabang ug pag-volunteer sa mga aktibidad sa inyong lugar, especially if it's about sa pagtabang sa kinaiyahan. Unsa sa tan-aw nimo, Irha, ang kulang ug dapat pang buhaton sa katawhan aron maprotektahan ang kinaiyahan?
Well, daghan kayong salamat sa pag-appreciate sa ako being a volunteer here in our community. For me, actually, it's about the unity, peace, and harmony. Because enable for us to achieve a peaceful and unified community, we can also have a harmony in our society. Well, each person will actually know their purpose, which is to take good care of our Mother Earth, which they should always remember that one action will have a ripple effect that they can work hand in hand together to have a better solution for our Mother Earth.
All right. Irha, unsa pa ba ang mga charity event that is close to your heart ang gusto nimo buhaton?
Well, actually, the charity event that really close to my heart, which na gusto na ko i-expand, ay ang charity na ginatabangan karon sa Miss Philippines Earth, which is ang IP students na naakaron sa Talaingod na ginatabangan usab sa mga sundalo headed by Battalion Commander Osmalik Tayaban, assisted by Judy De Leon. And they are the students who really captured my heart. When I look at in their eyes, I can see a brighter future and hope and the dreams that they wanted to be in their future.
Irha, karon nga nagatabang mo sa IP students sa Talaingod, isip usasab sila sa benepisyaryo sa Miss Philippines Earth. Unsa ang nahatag nga realization sa imuhang kasinatian ani nga community service?
Well, what I have experienced from Talaingod together with my eco-sister, especially with the IP students, is that being poor is not an hindrance for you to achieve your goals in life. I always believe in the saying that if there is a will, there is always a way. But enable for you to achieve the needs or the goals or the dreams that you wanted to be, there is always a hard work that you need to put in with perseverance, with all your determination, and afterwards you will be able to achieve and enable for you also to learn the lesson, and at the end of the day you will achieve the dreams that you wanted to be in the near future.
Imong mensahe sa atong mga kapuso o paunsa sila makatabang sa inyong charity or any upcoming events? Go ahead, Irha.
Well, mga kapuso, kinasing-kasing kong gi-awhag na unta, tabangan po ninyo ang atong mga IP students sa Talaingod na nangangarap din na matulungan ang kanilang pamilya upang maiahon ang kanilang pamilya sa kahirapan. if you do have like used clothes na hindi nyo na masyadong ginagamit at willing nyo nang ibigay, pwede nyo itong ipamigay at handa naman kaming kolektahin ito dahil pupunta kami ulit sa Talaingod upang magpamigay ng mga bagay sa mga bata. At kung pwede na din kayong bumigay din ng mga school supplies para din mas maingganyo ang mga bata na pumasok sa paaralan dahil may mga bago silang mga gamit na gagamitin. O di kaya, pwede nyo din akong kontakin sa aking Facebook account, which is just my name, Irha Mel Alfeche. You can message me all of your concerns, like kung ano man ang gusto nyong ibigay para sa mga bata. And atangimin ninyo sa among umaabot na mga activities headed by Dr. Marl V. Valles, together with my eco-sisters, Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao Air, Cristel May Correos, from Carrascal, Surigao del Sur, Miss Earth Philippines Mindanao Water, Maria Sembahon from Bayugan City, Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao Fire, Hygea Sofia D. Demorito from Talaingod, and Miss Earth Philippines Mindanao Ecotourism, Eleanor Hazel Lavador from Samal Island, as we are going to fulfill our duties as your Eco Sisters and Eco Warriors.
Daghang salamat, Irha, for sharing your time here sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Keep shining, ug amping kanunay.